video is not going to be about origami, but I just want to show you a video how to draw epic face and troll your friends. So this is your first step. Draw about an inch line and go about, let's say, another inch down and make another line. So it should look like that. Okay, then what you want to do is make half circle like, or just whatever, like this, and draw like that. It looks like a little gumdrop. Do that with the other one. Not really equal, but it's the best I can do. And here's the eye, the pupil. You go like that, make about like that big, and just shade that in if you're using pencil. And do that same with the other. And here's the mouth. Go about another inch down and draw it about 2 inches. There's the mouth. It looks like he's doing a little grrr. He's weird. It looks weird. Then what you want to do is you want to go down like that. And go like that. And leave just a little bit of space right here. Then make the tongue. We go like that. And then that's your epic face and just cyan. And then, just sign this, my signature from Easy Origami Co. That's how you will be able to troll your friends. Goodbye.